Hello guys, my name is Lazar and this is new episode about Car Town leaderboards. Today we will open gold and diamond mystery box. So let's just collect the jobs because this week team of leaderboard is most money earned. So yeah, let's do this. And oh shit, sorry about this. I'll do this one more time. So yeah. This leaderboard is very easy to complete. Oh my god. uh, this just sucks. Shit. What the fuck is wrong with me? Okay. So yeah. Let's collect jobs and put another one and then open boxes. So yeah, there is the box. And another one too. So this is nice. Let me just set jobs and then we will open boxes and see what can we get from them. So just a moment. Um, I have an idea for some videos. I have one game called Juiced 2. If you wanna see some drift skills and some street races, let me know in comment, and if there is enough comments about the Juiced 2, I will record some videos. So sorry, this is my phone, and let's open box. Okay, let's open gold one first. Oh shit, no way, man, are you kidding me? Very stupid car. Oh shit, oh my god, are you kidding me? I'll claim this one because I don't have it, and I just hope I'll get something better next time. So let's respin this one. Oh, this one is good. Nice, sweet. This is nice. Yeah, nice. Let's share this one. Okay. So this is very cool car. It gives a lot on GV. I sold all of mine XNR and GTOs, and now my GV is 80 millions, and I have 3.1 millions gold coins. So let's do a review of this car. This one sells good too. It's not that bad. Yeah, it's quite fast for track. It's not customizable. Only performance upgrades and skins and window tints and neons. So guys, this would be everything for this episode. Let me in comment if you want some street races and drifts. So I'll do some videos if you like. If you would like that. This is pretty much of it. See ya.